Did you know one simple tablet could wipe out a serious infection in just 3 days? But if you take it the wrong way, it might not work at all. This is Azithromycin 500mg, one of the most powerful antibiotics used around the world. But here's the truth, most people don't actually know how to use it correctly. Azithromycin is an antibiotic that fights bacterial infections. It works by stopping bacteria from growing, helping your body recover faster. Doctors commonly prescribe it for throat infections, chest infections like bronchitis, skin infections, ear infections, and even some sexually transmitted infections. And the best part? In many cases, it starts working within just a few days. The typical adult dose is 500 milligrams once daily for 3 days. This is often called the 3-day therapy. But remember, never take it without a doctor's advice. Like any medicine, it can cause some side effects. You might experience nausea, diarrhea, or mild stomach pain. These are usually temporary, but if you notice anything unusual, seek medical help immediately. Avoid taking this medicine if you have liver problems, allergies to antibiotics, or if you're on certain heart medications. Always tell your doctor about your medical history before starting. Here's a pro tip. Take it at the same time every day and always complete the full course, even if you start feeling better early. Stopping early can make the bacteria stronger and harder to treat. So now you know how powerful azithromycin really is, but only when used the right way. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe for more daily health tips, and let me know in the comments which medicine should I explain next.